This is a new Amtrak Railroad Bascule Bridge. Now this bridge replaces the Scherzer Rolling Bridge, crossing to the Niantic River, located in Niantic, Connecticut. The shanty on the left hand side. And look at this bridge. Brand new, it's still in use. And it's a modern type. It was built in 2013. And see, it's raised for boats and vessel traffic. And see, and then it lowers for Amtrak Railroad. And see, this bridge is a double track. And so this bridge is yep, the last bridge, they thought that it was going to last, but this bridge replaced the older Scherzer type rolling bridge. Now this is a Triton type railroad bridge, and it's still in use again, for Amtrak train traffic. So, and it's located in Niantic, Connecticut.